So this is a casting manipulation. So name is input username. So you will enter the name, and then the upper name is equals to name dot upper is it converts it to uppercase, and then the name length is this basically removes the spaces from the name. The len is it counts how many characters in the string, then which will then print hello. The upper name is bago naman siya, so upper name sapat. Then print your name as pila ka letters na dito sa name mo. And the birth year number calculation. So subtract ka sa current year. Then ang edad ni mo karon, so even mo print siya you are that years old. So let's say enter your name. Small letter na ito siyang uppercase. So in the row, your name has 3 letters. Enter your birth year. Say, something. You are 24 years old. Okay, minus 126 minus 2002. That's the answer. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.